Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add third-party stickers in WhatsApp. So let's consider that the third party is Telegram. So just by going into our Telegram right here, we will go and join that Telegram. So for example, I already went to a conversation to see the new Telegram, how I can copy a link of a sticker or a bunch of stickers. So you just need to head over into a conversation just like that one, and then I want to go into the stickers right here, and after that what I want you to do is to go into this settings right here, tap on it, and after that I want you to go and copy the link just from this 3 points, tap on him and tap on copy link. So once you copy the link of the stickers, I want you to go to your Play Store or App Store and download the sticker downloader. So you can by downloading this sticker downloader, you can paste the link on this app, and you can forward this stickers that you already passed to this app directly to your WhatsApp. And also you can use the Telegram stickers right there, and or of course the Insta the stickers of any other social media, even Facebook. So the steps that I already showed you on Telegram, it's useful. Yeah, you can use the same steps on every single social media, and you can collect the stickers from the websites too. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.